they have a flexible. They have a flexible. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a special video. So y'all know that basically people started doing their makeup all special whenever Instagram really started to blow up. So this video was actually supposed to go up like a month ago. I was supposed to make it like a month ago, but I just kept on putting it off, and it's actually super quick to film, so I'm just gonna do it now. But it's basically the hack of turning regular beauty supply lashes or spiky lashes into like this Instagram boutique type mink lash. So mink lashes are actually really expensive. The most popular one, which is Lily lashes, retail for about $29 a pair, which is ridiculous. Like $30 for some lashes, that is crazy to me. I personally buy my favorite everyday lashes off eBay. So here are my favorites. This is a used pair. I hope it's focusing. Nice, they're wispy. They're not too long and dramatic, so it like just fits my face because I have small eyes, so I can't get away with really long lashes. This is just the pack that it comes in. It comes in like, let me take off this label. It comes in like these pink pack. I get them from eBay for like 79 cents. That's $8.20 on the back. I'll try to find them if I can link them down below, but those are the lashes I wear in every single one of my makeup tutorials. Like I don't try new lashes, I don't buy new lashes. Like even the more dramatic ones that I buy, I never end up wearing them. So I bought some hair recently from AliExpress for a hair video, and if you know anything about AliExpress, almost every time they send you hair, they send you a pair of lashes. So these are the lashes that were sent to me. Let me focus them. So this is what it looks like. It has some Chinese writing right here. I'm pretty sure that's Chinese, could be Japanese. And this is 26. I got this when I bought some hair from Noble Hair, and as you guys can see, they're super spiky and just not cute. Like I don't even think the camera is doing it justice on how spiky these are. Like they dead ass look like plastic. So I'm gonna be doing the thing where you take an eyebrow spoolie and like brush it through to see if you can make them into mink lashes, and I'm gonna do it on one pair, and then I'm gonna try on both the pair that I tested the Instagram hack on and the pair that I didn't test the Instagram hack on, and we will see if it works. So I'm gonna spoolie these out for y'all. So here are my very nice spiky lashes. I'm gonna do this one, and I'm just gonna spoolie it out to see if this works. If this does work, that would be so lit, because you could just buy any pair of lashes and it would automatically be cute. So they look a little bit more separated. Let me zoom in. They look a little bit more separated on this side, so I'm gonna do it some more, but they still look like kind of spiky. Hopefully this works. I think this is pretty much as good as we're gonna get with the lashes. So there's definitely a difference. This one is more separated and fluffy looking, and this one still looks really hard and plasticky. Another big difference that I noticed is that this one's kind of like shiny, y'all can see, and this one looks more like hair. So I'm gonna try them both on now, and we're gonna see if you can see the difference on the eyes. So I'm just about to put both of these on, and we're gonna see if you can even see the difference. Otherwise, I wasted my time. The band on these is really like plasticky. Like, okay, let me put it on my hand. Like it's really plasticky, and when you take it out of the packaging, it stands completely straight. So I'm thinking you have to do this on a certain type of lash for you to get the desired results. Even though it looks soft, it still feels very hard. So I'm gonna do the unhacked lash, or the spiky lashes, on this side of my face, and then I'm gonna do the fluffier side on this half of my face. Guys, so I just put on the lashes, and if I'm blinking weird or squinting, it's because like the band of these are really stiff, and when you glue them on, it makes your eyes feel like stiff. Like it's, I don't know how to explain it, but the band is just really stiff. I'm gonna come closer so y'all can see. So this is the side where I didn't do the Instagram hack, and this is the side where I did. And honestly, y'all can clearly see that it basically didn't work for me. So I'm gonna declare this a fail. Like, they're just so short. Like, it looks like I just put on wing liner. Can y'all see? If you guys can see from the side, like, it's pointing downwards. Let me look down. So that's basically how it looks. This is the side where I like brushed it, and you can see, like, even if I push it down, it's still really blocky and plasticky, and the band of these is just really stiff. They do look natural, but that's just because they're so short. Like, y'all see how that's sticking straight out? So my final thoughts on this Instagram hack is that it doesn't work. I feel like it just, like, it only works on certain types of lashes. Like, if your lashes are already somewhat soft and, you know, they have a flexible and they have like a flexible band, then I feel like you can brush them to make them more fluffier. But if they're just super spiky like these and plasticky and stiff and like cheap, they're not going to, it's not even about it being cheap, because I have cheap lashes that look really high-end and expensive, but these ones, like, it doesn't work. They don't feel any different. This one doesn't feel any fluffier than this one. It feels exactly the same. So I don't know, maybe if you brush it out for longer than I did, you might have different results, but I just really think that this did not work. My eyes feel really weird. It feels like someone glued like a plastic spoon to my eye. That's how it feels. So this hack was not a fail. It doesn't work. I wouldn't suggest doing it. And yeah, so that's basically it for my testing Instagram hacks lashes edition video. I hope y'all liked it. I'm kind of disappointed that it didn't work, because if it did work, then I could just be buying ugly lashes and just brushing them to make them pretty. But it doesn't work. Like, definitely thumbs up this video if you liked it, and leave me a comment on any more hacks y'all want me to try, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.